Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix frozen or unresponsive Lenovo laptop. First of all, what you have to do is head over to your power button on your laptop, and then you have to press and hold the power button for maybe 15 to 20 seconds depending upon the laptop model you're using. Now you have to hold it until your screens go black, and you have to keep holding that button until all the lights turn off and all the fans are turned off and your laptop is completely turned off. Now once it's turned off, you have to release the button, and then again you have to press and hold the button until the power lights turn on, and then you have to release the button and your PC will be, or the laptop will be restarted. Once restarted, your problem has been fixed. So that's simply how you can fix frozen or unresponsive Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.